Hi all, welcome to the next session, and in this session we will be starting with another important topic called as driver.get and driver.navigate. So actually these are the two different methods which are used in Selenium WebDriver for navigating to the URL. Okay, so we will see what is the basic difference between these two and how we can implement these two methods in our Selenium script. We will see that part. Okay, so let's move on to our next slide. So first of all, we will see what is the use of driver.get, how we are implementing this driver.get method in our script, and what is the advantages of using the driver.get over driver.navigate method. So first of all, we can implement the driver.get method in such a manner. Okay, so once the driver object is initialized, you just need to mention driver.get and then you need to mention the URL to which you need to navigate. Okay, so driver.get, after that you need to mention the URL. So let's see what is the advantages of using this driver.get method. So the first advantage is that it waits for a complete page to load before moving to the next step. As soon as we mention that driver.get and after mentioning the URL, it will navigate to the URL. Okay, but before execution of the next step, it will wait for complete page to load. On the other hand, driver.navigate method does not wait for complete page to get loaded. So even if the page is not loaded completely, it will start execution of the next step. Okay, and the second thing is that it can be implemented with the help of following set of command that we have already seen, right? This is the syntax of implementing the driver.get. We need to mention driver.get and here we need to mention the URL to which you need to navigate as I have mentioned over here. Okay, right? So let's move on to the driver.navigate method now. Okay, so this is the driver.navigate method. So it does not wait for complete page to get loaded. So as I have already told you that driver.get method wait for complete page to get loaded. On the other hand, driver.navigate method does not wait for complete page to get loaded. It is implemented with the help of following set of command. Okay, so it implements some other methods which are useful for navigation, right? So moving on to the driver.navigate method. So the first thing is that it does not wait for complete page to get loaded. So as I have already discussed, driver.get method wait for complete page to get loaded, and once the page is loaded completely, it will move on to the next step. On the other hand, driver.navigate method does not wait for complete page to get loaded. So next, the driver.navigate method implements some other methods which are useful for navigation. Okay, let's see how we can implement the driver.navigate method. You need to mention, once the driver object is created, you need to mention driver.navigate and to is the method, and after that we need to mention the URL to which you need to navigate. So the other methods which are implemented by driver.navigate is as follows. First is the driver.navigate back, second is driver.navigate forward, and driver.navigate refresh. So sorry for this typo, this is repeated, so just ignore this stuff. So these are the three methods which are most widely used with the driver.navigate method. So what is the use of this driver.navigate back? Suppose while executing the script, you have already logged in into the application after entering user details, right? So before the landing page, we have navigated to the login page, right? So, and if you want to navigate to the login page back, then you can use this method, driver.navigate back. Okay, this one. And suppose if you are on login page and if you want to move to the landing page, then you can again use this method, driver.navigate forward. So basically what it does, it just navigates back and forward based on the pages you have visited earlier. So suppose if you have visited the landing page and again afterwards you have visited the login page, and again if you want to move forward, that is again if you want to move to the landing page, then you can use this method, that is driver.navigate forward. With the help of this you can do that. And suppose if you want to refresh your current page, you can use this method directly, driver.navigate.refresh. So it will refresh the page which you are currently on, and it will load all the contents and all the web elements of that page. Okay, so we will not waste time in understanding this. We will directly see the practical example so that you will understand these all concepts in a better manner. So let's move on to the Eclipse in order to understand how we can practically implement these concepts. So let's move on to our Eclipse. So previously I have already discussed how to navigate to the URL. We need to use this command, right? Driver.get, and then you need to mention the URL which you need to navigate. So we will not waste time in considering this method. So we will directly see how we can implement driver.navigate and what are the different methods which are available with the driver.navigate command. Okay. So first of all, I need to remove this command in order to use driver.navigate command. So I will just say here driver.navigate, control plus space bar will give you the methods dot. You can see as soon as you press dot, there are multiple methods which are present under this driver.navigate method. So you can see driver.navigate back is available, forward is available, to is available, then again to URL is available. So you can mention directly what is the method you need to use. Okay, so I will just use first thing is that you need to navigate to the URL. So I will just select this one and I will mention the URL. Let's say I need to navigate to https www.flipkart.com. So let's check if we are able to navigate to the flipkart.com or not. I will just run this. Okay. Seems it is taking time. Let's check the console, what's happening there. So you see that Chrome browser is open and we should be navigated to flipkart.com, right? Okay, so let's close the browser and let's move to the next method. Suppose I want to refresh the page. Once I have opened the browser, I need to refresh the page so that elements are loaded correctly and all elements should be displayed. So we need to use driver.navigate.refresh, right? But before that, I will be adding thread.sleep so that all the executions we can see with our own eyes, because the Selenium WebDriver is so fast that you will not be able to see what's happening there if you don't put thread.sleep or something like that. Thread.sleep, let's say I say 5000 milliseconds I need to wait, and after that I need to mention here driver.navigate.refresh and just need to refresh my browser. So let's check if it is working or not. You see that it is still loading the application. Now it has refreshed it. You see that it has just refreshed it. So yeah, now it has refreshed. Sorry. So after 5 seconds it will refresh. So I will not put this here. What I will do, I will just mention another method. Let's say driver.navigate.back. Okay, so once I open the browser, I have navigated to the flipkart.com. After 5 seconds it will navigate back. So it should give me a blank page, because before navigation of the flipkart.com it has not navigated to any other URL, right? So what I will do, after navigating back, I will add some thread.sleep over here. and after that I need to refresh the page. Okay, let's say I add one more method here. Let's say I add driver.navigate.forward. Okay, so how would be the execution sequence? I will add thread.sleep here again. Oops, sorry. So how would be execution sequence over here? First it will open the Chrome browser, it will navigate to the URL. After 5 seconds it will navigate back and blank page will be displayed over here. It will wait on the blank page for 5 seconds. Then again it will navigate forward. Once it has executed this driver.navigate forward, we will be again on the login page of Flipkart, and it will wait there for 5 seconds, and after that it will refresh the page. Okay, let's say I navigate to some other URL. That would be more specific and it will make you understand. Let's say I navigate to amazon.com. let's say amazon.in. Okay, and after that I will wait here for 5 seconds again, and then I will refresh. So this will be your execution sequence. It will navigate to the Flipkart, wait for 5 seconds, then navigate back, and after navigating back we will be on a blank page. It will wait there for 5 seconds, then again it will navigate forward, so we will be back on the flipkart.com page, right? It will wait there for 5 seconds again, and then it will navigate to the amazon.com. It will wait there for 5 seconds, then it will refresh the page. So this will be your execution sequence. Let's see how it goes. So we are on the login page of Flipkart. Now it will click on back. So blank page is opened up here. Now after 5 seconds it has clicked on navigate.forward. Then again we are on Flipkart. It will wait for 5 seconds here and it will navigate to amazon.in. It will wait for 5 seconds over here again, and then it will refresh the page. You see that page is refreshed. So this is how we can implement driver.navigate and all the methods. So the main thing is that you should be able to understand the concept, how we need to implement this, and you can definitely apply in any of the scripts. It will simplify your test script and it will help you to simplify your framework also. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for joining.